Carroll's, welcome back. 200 gram cakes. I probably won't read them all, but we'll go ahead and give you a kind of a close-up view of what he's got here, guys. Neon Strobe's a really good one by Sunwing, $24.99. I kind of want to do that Azura Raider, $24.99. One of my personal favorites is Mobile Menace there at $24.99. And Sweet Shot is something I've done before. It's a good cake, it's $24.99. Pyro Fiesta is $34.99. Too Fishy, $34.99. Skyfall is $34.99. Go back top here. Summer Drink, $12.99. TNT Bam, $12.99, guys. 4th of July, 20 shots, $12.99. Red, white, and blue. Multi-barrel launcher is $12.99. You get your 36 shot Happies, $12.99. Raccoon Raging Willow, $19.99. Fun Fuel is $19.99. Born on the Bayou is $19.99. Sold out, $19.99. Now there is a deal here on the top. It should show you $12.99 each, or 3 for $32.99. And this section down here is $19.99 each, or 3 for $49.99. So you save $10. So that includes Raging Willow, Fun Fuel, Born on the Bayou, sold out, Macaron Pups, and Vibe Check. Up here on this one up here, guys, this is $6.99 or 3 for $17.99. So all these little cakes up here, that's a good deal. So then come down here and you got all those cakes with Neon Strobe and Mobile Menace, all those really good ones. That's $24.99 each, or 3 for $64.99. So you're saving $10 again on that. So that's a really good deal. We'll come down, and then down here you got $34.99 for these, all these down here, all the way down to Pyro Fiesta, and that's $34.99 each, or 3 for $89.99. So you save $15 on those. Then you got your God Bless America, $19.99. Dark Thunder is $19.99. Everybody likes bling bling at $19.99. And Born to Fly is $19.99. So once again, $19.99 each, or 3 for $49.99. That saves $10, guys. And that includes the second row here, all those, and then all these. So let's go ahead and take a look at some more fountains. We got Spies in Disguise. I probably won't read them all off to you. Twitter Glitter is $12.99. Skull Fountains is $14.99. You got your Frog Prince is $14.99. Wait for it's $59.99. Superstars $29.99. Totally Purple $19.99, and Silent Mode is $19.99. You got Surprise Fountain $19.99. Quackers $14.99 for Quackers, and Frog Prince is $14.99. He's also got your big Roman shot candle here. Savage is $29.99. I like the Gatling Blaster, $29.99. And it looks like you can buy one at $29.99, get one for 99 cents. And so these are all $29.99, so you can get one then for 99 cents. And you get Slugger, $29.99 also. That's by Sunwing. You got Gerberas. That's on my channel from last year, $14.99. That's actually kind of cool. A little 180 shot there. America's Pyro Candle. Gatlin Pack. Color Pearl Flowers, $1.99. Skull Poppers, did those. They're on my channel at $5.99. 5-ball Roman candle is $3.99. Let's go ahead and take a look at some. We'll go ahead and maybe go over here and do the middle missile base Saturn missiles here, guys. So your Independence Battery is $29.99. Bullet Storm $24.99. Fire Kraken $24.99. You get your Dynamite Stick $19.99. And just a basic missile base 25 shot is $1.49. He does got this big one here, guys. It's $109.99. 750, guys. Plus you get a cool looking American flag. Super Missile is $19.99 for 300. Serious Cracker is $6.99. Buy one, get one for 99 cents. You also got these big rolls of firecrackers at $119.99 for 16,000. You also got some smaller rolls of it, guys. The M77s. Little dynamite here is $4.99. Buy one and then get one for 99 cents. Jumping jacks like those, $14.99. Turn back around. Got your rockets, Galaxies, Nikishi Galaxy, Flying Pigs, $19.99. Ghost Strobe, $24.99. If you've ever done a strobe rocket before, definitely come in here and pick these up. You'll better buy two. You'll be impressed. And he's got some little rocks down here for the little 8-ounce rocket, $11.99. Sword rockets, $9.99. Texas Pop rockets, $5.99. He's got your little other smaller stuff, premium whistling moon travelers, some bottle rockets. Looks like rockets are $2.99 each, or 3 for $7.99. You save $1, guys. So pick some up. All right, I'm going to stop there, and we're going to cover the big boys coming up next.